Got a 2-ton unit about to change out in the apartment complex. Come with a fur down unit. I'm gonna change the inside and the outside out. Okay, let me change that all of them out. None of them work. I got ancient that one here. Something like that. I never heard of that yet. Let's set it right here. What a filter drive for that one. Probably used filter drive back then. I'm gonna try to get some of this video. Still don't got my camcorder, a GoPro, so I'm gonna get as much as I can. Look Goodman 2-ton. The fur down unit. See if I can get this thing off here. Don't try to slam on. Give me time though. Look, the 2-ton. It ain't heavy at all. I thought about getting the crane since it's on the roof, but I got some help coming on the way. I just want to get started and at least get it up here. Cause it's, man, that dog don't give you no time. Patience. I think the wood probably the heaviest thing on there. Better get close. Excuse me. Alright. Rope that up. Go get my drill so I can take that wood off. Yeah, that's 26 inches. The roof hatch, 30 inches. I think I'm just gonna move this out the way. We just rope it up. We'll be all right. Yeah, he ain't want to change this out. He just want to change the condenser out. Come on, buddy. Look at that blower wheel. That's small. Got that newbie. What Which one your incoming power wire?
Your power is gonna go in here. When we take this panel off,
Okay.
we're gonna take this panel off. We're gonna take this knockout.
Yeah.
The power's gonna go right in there.
Okay. Yeah, disconnect.
Yeah.
Alright, you got that bad boy installed. Got dark on. They hooking up the electrical on the inside, and we're gonna fire it up. But I'm gonna pack this stuff up so I can get down. I should be good to go. Just gonna leave my gauges up here, get my vacuum down, and I say a job well done. That one look a lot better. All right. Yeah, this the old. Out with the old, in with the new.
This tape right here?
Yeah, this tape was already right here, just making a video. I'm gonna turn it on. It should still be on. Huh?
Okay, yeah. Somebody took it off.
Alright, so I had to come back to Goodman to get another fur down unit, because that other one, this Goodman, that other one was rattling. I'm gonna put it in the video. The whole blower housing was shaking when I put it in. We got that thing installed and everything, so I'm gonna bring the damage one back. Because even when I picked it up, one of these scraps was broken on it, but I ain't thinking nothing of it. I thought maybe when a forklift guy put it on the, got it off the shelf, it maybe had broke. But what happened was, when they looked in the serial number, it was already sold before, and they put the damaged piece of equipment, I guess, back on the shelf or something like that. Or they said that the customer didn't install it at all, but there's a miscommunication somewhere. So I'm gonna try to install that other one next week sometime, maybe Wednesday. And but this is that old one that we took out. So I still got that other one running. It's making a little vibration. I put a tie strap on it and put it to a brace to kind of calm down the vibration some. But you see, I paid $508 for it, for that unit, and for the condenser and the fur down unit on that old one. I paid about $1,500 for that. So, but they're gonna swap it out with no problem. Like I said, I'm just gonna take that other one down. I mean, it's just gonna cost me a day, and I'm trying to get reimbursed for my labor. For doing this. I told them I need 8 hours, 2 men, 4 hours a piece. So they got to get with managers. They're gonna get back with me next week on reimbursement. They say switching them out, no problem, but I want to make. They got to pay me for my hours for selling me that used equipment.
So we're gonna have a problem. Alright, I'm out though, HVAC people. I might get some good video on installing this new one too. I know I ain't get much on that last one, but we'll see what's up. Yeah.